I am Fendi and I am Vice President of Don't Shoot Portland. Today we are hosting not Black Friday. Today we're trying to serve the people. We're gathering clothes for campsites and food for people in need of food, toiletries. So we're being a public servant today.
Hello, my name is Mishana and I'm a volunteer with Don't Shoot Portland. Today we're at the 5th anniversary of the Black Friday where we give away whole chickens, we make sandwiches and package hot meals that we give away to the homeless and anyone in need.
With Don't Shoot Portland being a Black Lives Matter movement, the inspiration received from like the Black Panther Party, and that's what Don't Shoot Portland is doing right now. Like we're literally creating a community with the people in our community and serving the people in our community, which they have people in office to do that. They don't do this kind of work, but this work is important.
We've done this 5 years in a row, and this year is one of our first years in front of City Hall, so this is really exciting. We're not welcome in City Hall because they're not supporting the community. We're here to show them this is how you support community, this is how you get things done. You show up, you help people in need, and you make decisions based on, humanity, not based on, your pocketbook and your relationships.
The bureaucracy just doesn't serve the people. It's not, it doesn't work.
These people are out here in the rain, helping, wanting to connect with each other because they care about each other. They care more about humanity than they do about greed and capitalism.
Generally, right, Black Friday is a tradition where we go out, we shop, and we spend all our money. If we create a culture where it's like, okay, you know what, let's go out and serve the people in need on these days, we can create a whole culture around that.
So remember, donate or come attend our December 1st end of the year fundraiser for Don't Shoot Portland.